Hello guys, welcome back to the series of Learn Ethical Hacking with me from zero using OverTheWire Bandit. And in this video, I am going to show you how to cross level 7, and this is episode 4 of the series. And let's start the video because all you guys know what I am doing and what about this series is. So the level goal of this level is that basically we are currently on level 6, as I hope so. So the problem statement is that the password for the next level is stored somewhere on the server and has all the following properties. So the file is owned by Bandit 7, the group is Bandit 6, and the size is 33 bytes. Okay, so let's give the let's first clear the screen and exit, then again exit. Let's open a new terminal, then we will make the size bigger. Then let's first check who am I. Oh man. So basically this is my terminal right now, but we have to connect to this for using the Bandit Lab. So for that we will give this command ssh, then -p, then the port number, then you need to give the username, that is Bandit 6 because we are at 6 level, and then @ then the IP address. Since there is domain name, so we will give that, and we will connect to the server. And the password is saved because in the previous video we have already crossed this. So we will give the password, and today we are going to find the password for level 7 so that we can go to next level. So for going in the next level we need to find this. So first let's check what we have. I am Bandit 6. Now let's see. Oh sorry. So there is nothing showing, man. Let's see the hidden files. There is .bash logout, HRC profile. So basically we found nothing. Now what we have to do? We need to use these commands because see, I have used this, but we need to now use the find command or grep command. So let's use the find command for now. Find. Just a minute. Find. Then we will give this slash. Slash will do what? This will check from root directory, not from the home directory or anywhere else. So that if the file is anywhere, then we will get the exact output. Then we need to specify the user because here you can see owned by user Bandit 7. So we will give, first let's specify the file type, that is type F. Basically there is a file, not anything like directories. This will specify the command that you don't need to find anything else rather than files. Then we will specify the user, that is user is dash user, not only user. User is Bandit 7. And then we have to specify the group, that is group 6. And then group is Bandit 6 and not. So now we will specify the file size, that is size 33C. So if we will give this command, then here you can see there are lots of things like permission denied, all these things. So you need to find from these. So if you will look, this is very messy, but for getting exact path without any issue like this, then you just need to add something to this command, that is you need to give this 2, then greater than, then this slash, then div, then null. Now let's understand the full command. First you gave find command to find the specific file. Then you gave this slash so that it will specify in command that the file will be looked from the root directory. Then we will give this command. There is a type of file that you don't need to find anything else rather than files. Then we gave the user command so that there is a specification that this is owned by Bandit 7. Then I gave the group command which specifies that the group owner is Bandit 6. Then I specified the size, that is 33 bytes, and I gave this command, this syntax, because it will redirect all these things. These all permission denied will be referred to this thing, this directory basically. Okay. Now when you will press enter, you will get the direct answer, that is this. And here you can see we got the correct path where the flag is stored or the password is stored for next level. So we will just give cat command, then this, then control shift V, and when, and boom, you got the answer. So here you can see we got the answer for this, and since I already solved this, then you don't need to do anything. Just save this file. And in this video, that's all from my side. Let's see you guys in the upcoming video. If you guys are really liking the series, then please share with all your friends or relatives who want these things and stuff. So this was all in this video. Bye bye, regards, and have a kind day.